In this video, I will show you how to turn on aim assist on Fortnite. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're currently here on the Fortnite lobby. I'll be showing you how to do this on PC, but the steps are the same if you're on like PlayStation or Xbox. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile avatar icon. Now once you've done that, you want to come down to your settings, which is this gear icon down here. So just give that a click to go into your settings, and once you're in your settings, what you want to do is come up to the top. You can see we've got these different icons. You want to actually click onto the controller settings. So you want to make sure you click onto this one, not the one with the cog, the picture of the gear icon. You want to click onto just the controller just over here. Then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side to this menu and click onto sensitivity. Once you're in sensitivity, what you want to do is come down and click onto use advanced options. So you just want to click to turn this on. At this point, you're going to get a pop-up message, and all you need to do is just click confirm to open up the advanced settings. And once you've done that, what you want to do is just scroll down slightly on this page. And if you keep scrolling down, you want to look for these two options down here. So precision, aim assist strength, and tracking aim assist strength. Now what you want to do is make sure these are set to 100. So you want to put these all the way up to 100. And by doing that, that's going to enable the auto aim or aim assist feature on Fortnite. So that is how to turn on aim assist in Fortnite. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.